Hey there, fellow garden enthusiasts! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a topic perfect for anyone with limited space or who's just starting out: growing cucumbers right in containers. You might think cucumbers need sprawling gardens, but many varieties thrive beautifully in pots. It's a fantastic way to enjoy fresh, crisp cucumbers even on a balcony, patio, or small yard. Let's dig in and learn how easy it can be. Not all cucumbers are created equal when it comes to container living. You'll want to look for varieties labeled as bush types or those specifically recommended for containers. Bush varieties are naturally more compact and don't vine as extensively. If you prefer vining types, choose smaller fruited varieties or those known for good production in pots. Read seed packets or plant tags carefully. Size really matters for cucumbers. They need ample root space to support vigorous growth and fruit production. Aim for a container that's at least 10–12 inches in diameter and depth. Larger is generally better, especially for vining types. Make absolutely sure your container has drainage holes at the bottom. Cucumbers hate soggy feet. Use a high-quality potting mix, not garden soil. Potting mix provides good drainage and aeration, which is crucial for container plants. A mix formulated for vegetables is ideal. You can start cucumbers from seed directly in the container or use small transplants. If planting seeds, sow them about an inch deep. Follow the spacing recommendations on the seed packet, usually 1 or 2 plants per container depending on its size. Consistent watering is key to happy cucumbers and preventing bitter fruit. Container plants dry out faster than those in the ground, so you'll likely need to water daily, especially in warm weather. Check the soil moisture by sticking your finger about an inch or 2 deep. If it feels dry, it's time to water thoroughly until water drains from the bottom. Avoid letting the soil completely dry out or become waterlogged. Cucumbers are relatively heavy feeders, meaning they need nutrients to produce lots of fruit. Start feeding them once they begin to flower or when the plants are about a foot tall. Use a balanced liquid fertilizer or one formulated for vegetables. Follow the package instructions for dilution and frequency, typically every 2 to 3 weeks. Don't over-fertilize, as this can lead to lots of leaves but few fruits. If you chose a vining cucumber variety, providing support is essential. A trellis, cage, or stakes will help the vines climb, saving space and keeping the fruit off the soil. Install the support system when you plant or shortly after. It's much easier to do before the vines get long and tangled. Gently guide the vines onto the support as they grow. Container cucumbers can still encounter pests like aphids or spider mites, and diseases like powdery mildew. Good air circulation helps prevent fungal issues, so proper spacing and support are beneficial. Inspect your plants regularly. For pests, a strong spray of water or insecticidal soap can often help. For diseases, remove affected leaves promptly and consider organic fungicides if necessary. Healthy plants are less susceptible. Cucumbers have separate male and female flowers. The female flowers are the ones with a tiny swelling at the base that looks like a miniature cucumber. Pollen needs to transfer from the male flower to the female flower for fruit to develop. Outdoors, bees usually handle this. If you're growing indoors or in a screened area without pollinators, you might need to hand pollinate using a small brush to transfer pollen from male to female flowers. Knowing when to harvest is crucial for the best flavor and to encourage the plant to produce more. Harvest cucumbers when they reach the size recommended for the variety, but before the seeds get large and hard. They should be firm and the skin color should be even. Don't wait too long, as overripe cucumbers can become bitter and signal the plant to stop producing. Harvest frequently, often daily once production starts. Yellow leaves can indicate nutrient deficiency or watering problems. Check your watering schedule and consider a balanced fertilizer. If leaves have white powdery patches, it's likely powdery mildew, often due to poor air circulation or humidity. If flowers drop without setting fruit, it could be poor pollination or extreme temperatures. Ensure pollinators can access the flowers or try hand pollinating. Consistent watering also helps prevent flower drop. And there you have it. Growing cucumbers in containers is totally achievable and incredibly rewarding. With the right variety, a good-sized pot, consistent watering, and a little care, you can enjoy a bountiful harvest of fresh cucumbers right outside your door. Don't be afraid to experiment and see what works best in your specific location. Happy gardening and enjoy those delicious homegrown cucumbers. Don't forget to like and subscribe.